anniversary of WrestleMania, Mercedes-Benz Superdome, Bourbon Street, New Orleans. That's going to be a party. We're going to Nolans. I cannot wait. And speaking of parties, imagine the party that Paul Heyman must have had this past Sunday night after Night of Champions. We're going to show you right now exactly what happened. It was really surreal. CM Punk would first get Curtis Axel to tap out to the Anaconda device. And under the rules of this handicap tag team elimination matchup, that meant Paul Heyman would have to get into the ring with CM Punk, and look at the look on Heyman's face. And as CM Punk would wear out Paul Heyman, making pay for the many
oh, man.
CM Punk over the past number of months. It looked like Punk was going to put Heyman away, and look at
Ryback!
That is Ryback, who came from out of nowhere, driving CM Punk through a table. And as Heyman would say Monday Night on Raw, saving Paul Heyman's life. And then the embarrassment, the humiliation. Paul Heyman defeating CM Punk.
Ryback rules. Don't even forget it. He is so... He's marching like Vince McMahon.
Pretty excited now. He
But
won't be for long.
You're damn right he won't.
My name is Paul Heyman.
Yeah, like Vicky Guerrero stuck in the fucking wheelchair. Yeah.
Tell your reaction that you already know the big news that I am the best.
I'm not the best in the world. CM Punk is, but whatever you say. Crazy. Crazy.
For me, I would like to give credit to my opponent. CM Punk gave me all that I can handle at Night of Champions. But when two men engage in combat inside that squared circle, only one man can emerge victorious. And on Sunday, that man was not your hero, CM Punk. No, 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 no. The winner of that match was Paul Heyman. But I gotta tell you, I could not have done it without my hero, Ryback.
Woo.
Paul, you are a gracious and appreciative man. You don't deserve to be picked on by a bully like CM Punk. If there's one thing I can't stand,
it's
a bully. Take this guy in the ring, for example. Paul Heyman told me that earlier in the day, you refused to sign a little kid's autograph.
Who'd want his autograph?
And then you later intimidated him in the parking lot. You want to try to intimidate little kids? Why don't you try to intimidate me? What I'm about to do to this guy, Paul, is exactly what I'm going to do to CM Punk the next time I see him.
So Ryback looking to make an example of Mr. Nardone. I'm still trying to figure out who'd actually won his autograph, but nonetheless, Ryback and Nardone lock up center of the ring, and Ryback wasting little time. Kids make mistakes. Yeah, they sometimes ask for mine. I can't figure that out either. Here, Ryback, go with the mic.
I'm sorry. Let me help you up.
Well, he says he doesn't like bullies. Talk about a hypocrite. Hey, you know, we failed to mention one of the most disturbing things that I've ever witnessed. What was it? Oh, look at this kid battling back. What was it? Oh, man! A disturbing Raw Monday when Paul Heyman actually kissed Ryback on the cheek. Michael, if a guy saved your life, wouldn't you kiss him too? And look at Ryback.
Gross.
Very short work of Nick. Paul Heyman has not quit smiling since Sunday night. Ryback takes care of Mr. Nardone with ease. Well, Ryback said he didn't like bullies. Apparently Mr. Nardone was a bully. Oh, man, off the meat hook. Ryback would follow it up with shell shock.
Okay. You're so sweet.
Thanks to that man.
Damn.
Paul Heyman was able to walk, well, not walk, but ride out here tonight. He claimed that he's the, quote, best in the world. He beat the best in the world. I guess that makes Paul Heyman the best in the world. Well, there is a very